music take control. Move your body, move your body. Let the music take control. Move your body, move your body. Let the music take control. Move your body, move your body. Let the music take control. Move your body, move your body. Let the music take control.
Right, let's see what birds I can spot today. It's very quiet so far, bird-wise. Oh man, what's that on the window? Oh look, can't believe that's the first thing I see. Look at this. Look at that bird crowd. As much as I like birds and everything, look, they must know I'm watching them. God damn it. Yes, I reckon the corvids and the seagulls and the magpies have all realised that I'm watching them, and they've decided to target this one particular spot here. So we'll see. Oh, it's a big massive. Oh my lord, it's a big green wodge of gooey disgustingness. Oh, I might have a bacon sandwich as well. That's put me right off. Ooh. Yeah, look at that, man. Look at that. It's disgusting. Looks even worse close up. Folks, tonight for tea, it's bang on 6 o'clock. We're having crusty rolls from the oven, pre-packed rolls. These are the 4 crusty rolls. You get 4 of them in that's what they call 4 crusty rolls. So that's what we're having. Put them in them for 6 to 8 minutes. So they've been in for 7 minutes. So they should be ready. We are having, as you saw there, I'm going to be heroic, and I'm having my pot noodle. And Rosie's having a chef Ding is preparing Rosie's chicken soup. We have it all ready there to take it to her and serve it to her. So that is tonight's tea, folks. It's just very simple, microwaved and just pre-prepared food tonight, because we just can't be bothered cooking. You can't be bothered doing it. It's just this terrible, this lockdown, and there's for another 3 weeks. We have to bear with this now, man. So, you know, we have to do what we're told, and, you know, but I'm not happy about it, but it's got to be done, man. So today, I have not been out today. I have been looking at, I've been doing my ornithology, checking out the magpies and actually a pair of seagulls there. You know, I know I say seagulls are ugly birds, but, you know, when you see them close up, they're actually quite, what's the word I'm looking for? Neat and clean looking. And by the way, folks, remember how I changed all this around here? What the hell was that? This was all changed. Rosie hasn't noticed yet that the photographs are all gone. They're all in different positions. Walking fast, walking very fast. Walking fast, walking very fast. Yes, I had your friend for lunch the other day. I served them up with some flava beans and a nice Chianti. Can you still hear the lambs, Clarissa? Oh, there it is, folks. Part noodle, congealed part noodle. There it is. Oh, look at this. Oh, man, look at this. Oh, this looks so good, man. Look at this. Oh, my goodness me. Look at those curly bits of noodle. Look at them. Oh, they look good. Ladies and gentlemen, the postman has been, and it's rattling. What on earth has the postman brought for me? Have you met mate Stanley? Right. Yeah, so let's just get sliced into. Oh God, I've got to be really careful here, because there's a very sharp blade, and I'm sitting here in shorts. See, when you're 3 weeks more of this lockdown thing, you just wear shorts and loungers and t-shirts and just rubbish, man. You just wear all the lightweight stuff of the day, don't you? So, oh, look what we've got, man. Look, here it comes. Oh, it's been packaged really good, man. Thank you very much. This is what I won. Oh, sorry. This is what I won from Jolly Jock, or Scotland, Tales of the Motherland, as he's now called. I won this when my Cadbury's cream egg went shooting miles across his courtyard. God, it's like having a really Jolly. Oh, come on, here we go. Oh, look at this, man. It's a personalised Jolly Jock. Where'd you get that from, man? That's fantastic. Look at that. Jolly Jock. Okay, park bench. Oh, look. Okay. Jolly Jock. It's an official egg, folks. An official egg. It's spelled official correct. OFFICIAL. Yes, you have. A happy Easter. Now, folks, if you don't follow Jolly Jock online, I strongly recommend you go and follow him, please. Or Scotland's Tales of the Motherland. I'll put a little link down below because I can't do it in the description. I don't know how to do that. My goodness me, we've got a very curly. It's like it's been packed in straw. It's a pot noodle. Is it a pot noodle? Has he sent me a? You sent me a pot noodle, man. My goodness me, look. My goodness me, Jolly Jock, fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. Look at this. I won this, man. I won the egg. Wow. The only thing I'm worried about though is that I like my dairy milk chocolate. I love dairy milk chocolate straight from the fridge, and I'm not sure what kind of chocolate this is. It could be kind of chocolate, diarrhea chocolate, you know, that gives you, oh, for goodness sake, it could be chocolate that gives you, as I say, you know, it could just put you in the toilet for the rest of the day sort of thing. So what I'll do though, Jolly Jock, thank you so much for that. It's very, very kind of you. And as I said, I had a great talk with you the other day. Brilliant. Absolutely wonderful. So we're going to keep this box though. Definitely going to keep the box, and we'll put that underneath, or on that. Well, I'll just put it on the bookcase just over here, and we'll leave that there as a memento to my fantastic win. So we'll get stuck into this chocolate. I'll put it in the fridge because I like my chocolate coming out the fridge. I like it to be nice and you get a good sort of crack, you know, when you bite into the chocolate. So we'll do that. Right. There's the egg, the golden egg. There it is, the golden egg. Marvellous. Let's take a photograph. Now, folks, I still can't remember where I got this bit of wood from, or even why I picked it up. And you know what I could do, folks? I could actually file it down or sharpen it, give it just a bit of a blunt edge there, and put a bit of sort of duct tape around the butt there, make it into sort of handle, and make it into sort of like a paper opener. What do you call it? A letter opener. I could do that, man. Yeah, because it's a great shape. All he's done is just maybe filed a little bit or just sharpened, but that'll make it great. Yeah, it's just great shape. But why did I pay him? Where did I get this from? What on earth, bro? You'll know this, bro. Where did I get this from? Why did I pick it up? I don't understand. Normally I would write something on it and it would let me know where I got it from, but I just don't know where that's come from. But there we go. So this should be a letter opener. Just slice open. Now, folks, we have lost something has been lost in the Jag Lives HQ or the Spiz HQ. We have lost. I don't actually. I can't remember what it is. I've lost now. What is it? Oh, for goodness sake, man! My coffee cup. That's it. My coffee cup. I've lost my see-through coffee cup. Maybe because it's see-through, I can't see it. Is that what it is? Where is it, man? That's weird. I'm sure I had it here. All right, we'll go downstairs and look for it. Hang on. All right, folks. Well, here it is. And we have located the cup. There it is. We found it. So thank you, everybody. Thank you all very much indeed for the comments. The comments have been fantastic recently. We're really integrating with everybody and commenting and just replying, and just everybody's just been brilliant, man. That's fantastic. Thank you so much, everybody. I love it. Thumbs up and, you know, all that kind of stuff. Right, we're ready to have a coffee. And also, folks, a chocolate. Bonnie, look at the face on that thing, man. Look at it. Oh, it's so happy. Whoa. Yeah, I'm so happy. I'm gonna get eaten. I'm so happy. Gonna get eaten. Peel my skin off. Right, let's peel the skin off. Come on then. Let's see if we can do this. No, don't, please don't, please, no. No, don't, no, 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 oh, don't peel my skin off. No, no, man, it hurts. I can't find them. How on earth did you get this? Hang on a minute, where did you get this? Oh, there it is, there we go, right, that's you getting peeled now. My ears, We're getting naked with the chocolate bunny. Here we go, here he comes. He's a naked bunny, there he is. Now folks, can I just say, hello to all the Jacobites, if there are any of you still out there. Jacobites were common working people. I'm only saying this because this is the today is the anniversary of the Battle of Culloden in 1746. That's why I thought at the time, 1746, we could all shout out the window, "Freedom!" at 5:45 almost, but the time's passed for that now, so it's too late. But the Jacobites had a chance of fighting to get their Stuart King James II back on the throne, or his descendants anyway. But of course the English got in there, didn't they? And they just marched on and cut all links with France. Scotland had a chance of getting the French to help them, but no, England, as usual. Anyway, so this is the I wasn't going to say the revolution, but every generation should have a revolution, man. We should do. And the last one was 1746. That was the last Jacobite revolution. And Jacobite, the word Jacobite basically comes from the word Jacobs, which is Latin for James, and that's why we have the word Jacobite, because people want James back on the throne, or his descendants at least, to be back on the throne. So the working class, we are the Jacobites, man. We want Scotland to have sort of sovereignty again, rather than a monarchy. And it worked. And it worked. And it worked. And it worked. And it worked.
You're unstoppable.